Welcome to the NoTraffic installation video. In this video, we will walk through the main steps in installing NoTraffic detection. Before beginning, confirm the cabinet type, controller setup, and the I/O method. Check that you have all necessary tools, including screwdrivers, drills, bits, and sealant. And check that you have the necessary mounting hardware, cables, and wiring. Unbox the NoTraffic hardware and confirm that all components are present. In the sensor box, you will find a 2.5mm hex screwdriver for removing the sensor cover plate. The sensor power unit box includes a Y cable and screwdriver. The Nexus Omni box includes the Nexus, the SDLC smart harness, and the power supply. Use the QR code on the box to open the Quick Start Guide and follow the checklist during installation. Step 2. Install the antenna. Use a box or container inside the cabinet to catch metal debris while drilling. The antenna provides LTE, Wi-Fi, and GPS connectivity for NoTraffic. Remove the adhesive backing, position the antenna centrally over the hole, and press it firmly onto the cabinet top panel. Roof mounting is the default method. Use a standoff mount only where roof drilling is not permitted. Apply silicone waterproof sealant around the base of the antenna to create a weatherproof seal. Step 3. Connect the antenna leads. Connect the antenna leads to the Nexus Omni rear panel. The antenna has 9 leads, and each lead should be connected to the matching color-coded and labeled port. Once all leads are connected, gently check that each connector is secure. Step 4. Sensor wiring connections. This step applies when sensors are powered from the cabinet through the sensor power unit. Before applying power to the sensor power unit, make all required sensor power wiring connections. Connect each sensor power cable to the matching SPU output. After the wires are installed, perform a tug test to confirm each connection is secure. Place the SPU in the cabinet. Step 5. Power the SPU and Nexus Omni. Connect the power cable to the SPU. Connect the Y cable to the power supply. Connect the 4-pin DC output from the power supply to the Nexus Omni. Connect the RJ25 cable between the Nexus Omni rear panel and the sensor power unit. Connect the Nexus Omni power supply to a grounded, non-GFCI cabinet outlet. Step 6. Install the smart harness. For an SDLC smart harness, connect the RJ25 cable to the harness. Locate a free SDLC port in the cabinet and connect it. Keep the smart harness disconnected from the Nexus Omni until we have an LTE connection. Wait for this LED to turn green. Plug in the smart harness to the Nexus Omni on one of the 4 ports on the front panel. Connect NTCIP if required. Step 7. Install the sensors. Now install the sensors at the selected locations for each approach. Choose a mounting location centered on the oncoming approach of traffic. Sensor height should be 18 to 33 feet above ground level. Mount the V2X sensor on the main street closest to the cabinet with the clearest possible field of view. Tilt the sensor down to get better access to the cover plate. Use a 2.5mm hex driver to open the cover. Route the power cable through the cover plate gland and prepare the conductors. Connect the wires at the terminal block. If using Ethernet, connect that now. Make sure the sensor rear cover is secured. all screws are tightened and each cable gland is tightened to create a watertight seal. Connect the V2X antennas for the Type 2 sensor. Aim the sensor down the approach. Final aiming will be done with Installation Assistant. Power on the rear SPU power switch. Power on the front SPU power switches. Step 8. Complete setup in Installation Assistant. For the final setup, connect a PC to the Nexus Omni using a wired or wireless connection. Use Installation Assistant to configure the intersection and confirm communication with the sensors and cabinet equipment. In this step, you will complete final sensor aiming, configure detection zones, and set up the network configuration. After setup is complete, verify detection, communication, and cabinet integration before leaving the site. Congratulations, and thank you for watching.